Welcome to the fable of the bundle of sticks. Once upon a time, in a lovely village, lived a wise old man. He was known for his clever advice and kind heart. One day his sons were arguing and fighting. The wise man thought, it's time to teach them a lesson. He gathered some sticks and tied them into a bundle. Then he asked his sons to break the bundle. They pulled and pulled but couldn't snap it. Then he took one stick and broke it easily. He explained, "Together you are strong. If you work together, you can overcome anything." The boys understood and hugged each other tightly. From that day, they promised to always support one another. And they lived happily ever after. This fable teaches us about the strength of unity.